Weight loss tip number 23. Intimidated by the gym? Try these icebreakers. When you're new to the gym and everything is intimidating, just the mere action of signing up to the gym is a huge step. But we also know this is not an easy step, and there is a very good reason why a lot of people finding the gym very unwelcoming.
Okay, so you signed up to the gym. You walk in on your first day, and what do you see? It's a testosterone-driven environment full of people sweating and grunting and chucking heavy things around, always looking like they know what they're doing.
To make things a lot worse, when you're a newbie and you're not sure what to do, what do? You go, you look around you, and you probably look to mimic people. And then you're going to see them basically staring at you, and it's going to feel like daggers, like everyone is staring at you and judging you for everything that you're probably doing wrong.
It's no wonder people always say they find the gym intimidating. Who wouldn't? The truth is, everyone was in your shoes once. Everyone's a newbie to start with. And also, most people aren't judging you. They're far too busy looking at themselves in the mirror and judging themselves.
It's really true. Now, there's an easy way to overcome this, to make the gym feel a bit more like at home. The best way is to break the ice and make the gym feel a lot more social, which is exactly what it should be.
That super intimidating bodybuilder on the bench training next to you, chances are he's actually probably a really nice guy. Maybe you could train next to him, and when he's resting between sets, have a chat with him, pick up some tips.
Maybe you can ask his advice or ask him to check your form, which, by the way, is a huge compliment to a bodybuilder. If you're brave enough, you can even compliment him directly on his physique. You've got really nice arms. How long did it take you to work towards those arms? Maybe you can ask him how often does he work a muscle group, say his back. Or you could even say something like, dude, my legs are killing me from the workout yesterday. He'll know what you're talking about. That's an instant icebreaker.
But don't force it. You know, if people want to talk to you, they will do. But, you know, if not, no hard feelings. Just finish your set and maybe try with someone else later.
Most people are quite social and are quite nice, so don't be afraid to chat to a few people. Another example, maybe you're starting a new class, yoga, Pilates, maybe something else. A really good icebreaker is it's going to sound silly, but it's actually a really good icebreaker. Arrive 2 minutes earlier. Place your mat, you know, in the free studio next to someone who seems nice, and introduce yourself.
What's the worst that can happen? Ask them if they've done this class before. Is it easy? Or say, this is my first time doing this class. I'm Rob, how do you do? Before you know it, you're invited for frappuccinos with the yummy mummies. You're officially in the gang.
I think it's safe to say when you get to that point, you're part of the gang. You don't have to be nervous anymore. Let's give you a few more examples. Maybe you're in the stretching area, you know, away from all the hustle and bustle, and you're seeing somebody doing a nice mobility move. You could say to them, you've got a really great hip mobility. I wish mine was as good. That's an indirect compliment, by the way, that they'll respond really well to.
Lastly, maybe there's someone doing some pull-ups or an upper body move, and you could say, I wish I had the upper body strength to do that. How long did that take you to do? And before you know it, you're making conversation with people. Not only are you being friendly and social, you might even get some good advice from them. Just try not to be too creepy. There's nothing worse than that.
It's good to be aware, though, that not everybody you're going to try and chat to in the gym is going to be social or want to chat. Some people can be nice, but they're just way too focused on their workout. Most people, though, I would say most people are really friendly. Most people are there, you know, to pick you up, to have a nice chat. Most people are up for it. And I mean, there's no real reason to be nervous. You're not asking them for a date. You're not asking your boss for a raise. You're not, you know, doing a direct confrontation with anyone. You're just saying hi.
A good rule of thumb is to approach someone who's training on their own, maybe without the headphones in. This is a good sign that they would welcome a conversation rather than see it as an interruption.
And before you know it, you walk into the gym and you don't feel like a newbie anymore. It's not intimidating. You've got a few familiar faces, people you've spoken to, people that would probably say hello to you. You might even make some friends.
Just remember not to overdo it. You do need time to actually work out too, you social butterfly you.
Do you know anyone who wants to join the gym, progress their fitness goals, but you've always got those people who find the gym so intimidating? Why not share this video with them and help make their training feel like a great experience?
Thanks for watching. For more weight loss tips like this, check out our YouTube channel or head over to bellyproof.com/tips.